How to edit a specific reservation in a group reservation. Let us see how. Right-click the reservation for which you wish to make changes. Click View Details in the context menu that opens. The reservation opens in a new tab. Click Enable Editing to make any changes. This group reservation consists of 2 reservations. Click the reservation that needs editing. The reservation opens in a single reservation view. Edit the number of guests from the drop-down. We can edit the length of stay from here. Click OK. Under Rates, Packages, click the selected rate. Only the valid rates for the period show up in the drop-down. Select the required rate. Click Back to Group. The charges in the reservation get updated in the group reservation. Click Save. This brings us to the end of the video. How to edit a specific reservation in a group reservation.